Hello, my name is Tim Gerhardt. I'm the Technical Service Manager here at LabStrong. And today we're going to be working on the NCL LabStrong oven. And this is SST oven that's sold by North Central Labs. And today we're going to be looking at the display. So a simple thing to do first, you want to unplug it from the wall outlet so there's no power to the unit. And then to get the display off of this, there's a little bit of sticky glue here and here that holds this in place. Then you're going to push straight up on the whole display on both sides, pull out on the bottom. Then it's going to come out, and here's your 4 clips that hold it in place. And then your adhesive here and here. Now if you have to check the connections, there's 2 connections that could possibly come loose over time. If you have any kind of issue, there's the first connection up here, which is on the board. There's a little clip right here that you push down on and then pull straight back on it. That'll remove that connector. Do not pull back on the wires only. You need to pull back on the connector. Then you want to make sure when you push this back in, it only goes in one direction, and you'll hear that clip when it slides in and locks in place. And just give it a little bit of a tug to make sure you've got it in there in place. The other connection is right here, this USB port. Make sure it's nice and tight, and that's in place. Then you just feed the cable back down inside here. The control panel goes back in those slots, and then you just push down on it, and then it locks itself back in place. And like I said, there's a little bit of sticky glue here and here to kind of hold that in place. That's how you would remove the display, put it back in place if you ever have to check anything. If you have any questions on the NCL oven, LabStrong oven, or any of our other products like our stills, our rapids, our DI systems, anything else that we have available, you can actually go to labstrong.com to get that information.